Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the motion guide layer and the mask effect, spotlight effect in the flash. Okay. Earlier classes we have studied about the shape motion twinning. Okay. So that concepts also it will be used here. So first let us start how to do motion guide layer. Motion guide layer means you will define a path on which a particular object will move. Okay. Let us start our project. So first we have to take this circle and you can fill any color, say this one. Now I am making one circle here, and then just you have to right click on this particular shape and just click on this convert to symbol and choose the graphic symbol. Click on OK, and then you have to select any frame, say 40. Insert the keyframe by pressing the F6 key and then move this circle at the other end. Now right click on this particular area here, click on create motion twin. Now the circle is moving on a straight line, but we want it should move in a given path. Okay, so what is my given path? How can I give? Just let us see. Just click on the first frame here and click on add motion guide that we are studying, that is motion guide layer. So we have to add the motion guide layer here. Click here. Now click on the first frame of this guide layer and take the pencil for giving the path. So by using this pencil, I am starting at the center of this ball. Now I am giving one path like this. And I have to stop at the 40th frame. So this line it should also go at the center of the last ball, this ball, like this. Okay. Then you can taste your movie. Just press Ctrl plus Enter. So if this happens to you also, then we have not set the properly this center of this line in the center of the circle. So you have to arrange this one particular little bit. This actually it is not coming in the center from here also, and from here also you can check it. So just 1 minute. So we have to arrange, so this particular circle will move in that path only. Okay, so you can see here now it is working fine. Okay, so we have to arrange the center point, then it will work very nicely. So this is our motion guide layer. I hope you understood. If any doubt you can ask, but you have just remember this center point you have to arrange it. Okay, from in the first frame also and the 40 at the last also you have to arrange this. Okay, then it will work in a definite path. So this is called as motion guide layer. Now the next practical, spotlight effect, that is called as the mask effect. So just go to the file option, new. I am creating a new blank document and I am adding the image in it. So just go to the file, import to stage. If you want to import any image, so this is the way. So let me select any picture, say this one. Now if you want to make it small or big, then there is a free transform tool. So you can increase or decrease the size to fit in the stage like this, horizontally also and vertically also. So it is completely occupied the space of stage like this. Okay, so the image I have taken, clear. Now I have to add a new layer. So just right click on here only on the layer 1, click on the insert layer option. Now select the first frame of this and after adding image, let us insert one more layer, okay, on which we create the spotlight effect. So I have created a new layer. Click on the first frame of the second layer and make the circle, this circle, and in this way. Okay, then right click on this particular and just convert to symbol to movie clip and click on OK. Fine. and click on anywhere, press F6 button and move this ball at the end. Right click on here, create motion twin. And also this suppose this Bharat Mata photo is coming only up to the first frame, so we have to insert it to the 40th. So click on the 40th frame and press F6 button. So now press and see, it is coming. Now what I have to do, I have to create the mask effect. So wherever this circle will go, that particular area will be visible of the background image. Okay. So how to create? Just go to the layer 2, right click, click on the mask effect. So you can see here now. Okay. So wherever this circle is going like this, so this particular image is coming. Okay. So this is called as mask effect. Okay. So it is working fine. Let us see and taste. Let us taste the movie. Okay. So press Ctrl plus Enter. So now it is working fine. So this is the spotlight or mask effect. I hope you understood. If any doubt is coming, you're always welcome to ask. Okay. Thank you.